What's going on, everybody? It's Simon Says Crypto. Let's get into it so you can be on your way and in your day. Today I am over at Mercatox and I'm going to show you real quick on how to get some Veritasium, because this is the place to do it, or one of them. After you've created an account, you're going to click this tab button right here, trade, and it'll bring you to the default trade page. Over here on the right, there is a search option or bubble. You're going to type in VERI, V-E-R-I. Click the enter button, of course, and boom, it brings you to this right here. It looks like it has the pair for Bitcoin and a pair for Ethereum. I'm going to click Ethereum today, and it will bring you to this screen right here, showing you there's VERI. It's paired with ETH. And looks like we're going to do a limit order. It looks like it does give you some options to do a market and stop, but doesn't appear to be allowing me to do so now. The price, I will pick out the price. Let's say the price is right here for sell orders. So I said, sure, I'll pay that much for that much. So let's say I want one VERI. And this is how much it will cost me after the fees, 0.035 and change. I would click buy, and then boom, it would appear magically in my wallet after purchase. And then what you can do is you can send it to a wallet on the Ethereum network. All right, there you go. Links down below. I gotta go.